Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Myself Meera Panchal and here I am with a new fun activity of making a art piece of cut and paste shapes. So let's start, but before moving ahead, make sure that you have watched and learned the cutting technique tutorial taught in previous class because today's activity is based on those methods. In our today's activity, we will create a train engine using various shapes. For that we require art sheets, crayons, scale, pencil, black sketch pen, fevistick and scissor. Take one art sheet and draw two squares of 8 and 6 cm respectively. Similarly, draw two squares of 3 cm. In the same way, draw one big and one small rectangle, one triangle and 3 circles. Use black sketch pen to border the shapes. Now color all the shapes with the help of crayons of your choice. Now under your parents' guidance, cut all the shapes. Take another plain art sheet and first paste the big square with the help of glue on the sheet. Similarly, take medium size square and paste it like this. Take triangle and similarly paste it too. Now do the same with rectangles and circles. We will use circles as wheels of the engine. Now in the big square, paste small squares which will look like windows. A train engine is ready. I hope you all enjoy this activity. See you next time. Till then, keep learning, keep crafting, stay safe, take care. Bye.